dishwasher is not going to circulation, it could be that the impeller is stuck and is no longer able to move due to the back of the impeller binding up inside this seal. So the goal is to reach in with a special tool and move the impeller back and forth to free it up. To make the tool, you just take a fork and take the middle tongs and bend back a couple of times back and forth, and the metal fatigue caused the tongue to break off. Then you repeat that with the other middle one. So out of the four, you're just bending the middle one back and forth a few times. What the tool does is it allows you to reach in from the front of the MIELE, which we'll show you in a minute, and be able to get into these grooves and move back and forth to get the impeller moving, which then breaks the friction seal and allows the circulation pump to work. So here is the motor and the motor housing for the circulation pump, and here is the impeller inside, and this is the special tool, which is just a fork with the two middle prongs bent back and broken out of the way. This is a really good size to fit in and get this circulation pump unseized and moving. So we just fit it in, and it naturally will go in to the edges of the impeller fins, and we rock it back and forth, and that breaks up the seized pump and will allow your MIELE dishwasher to circulate again. Just takes a few times going back and forth, side to side, a little bit up and down, and you can see that's moving the impeller.